Hello, my name is Shantanu Pandey. I am legal intern at Lexis and Company. Today I am going to talk about what is bankruptcy and insolvency. Bankruptcy and insolvency are related concepts that deals with the financial distress and the inability of an individual to entity to meet its finance obligation. While they are often used interchangeable, have distinct meaning. Bankruptcy is a legal process that allows individual or business to seek relief from their debt when they are unable to repay them. It is governed by a specific laws and procedure established in each jurisdiction. When a debtor files a bankruptcy, it initiates a legal proceeding to resolve their debt and distribute available assets to credit. The goal in bankruptcy is provide fresh start for debtor, fresh start for debtor by either eliminating and recognizing their debt. Bankruptcy may involve liquidating asset to repay creditor. Bankruptcy in the bankruptcy or creating a repayment plan to gradually repay debt over time. The business may also file for bankruptcy under a specific chapter under this chapter 11 in the United States, which allows a reorganizing and continuing operation while repaying credit. Insolvency refers to the financial condition where an individual or entity is unable to pay its debt when they become due. It is a broader term that encompasses both individual and business. Insolvency can arise due to various factors such as excessive debt, cash for problem, or significant decline in assets value. Insolvency does not necessarily mean that bankruptcy proceeding will be initiated. It simply indicates that the financial inability and to meet obligation. When the individual or entity entitled insolvent, there are various options to address the situation. They can be include negotiation with credit for repayment of land, restructuring debt, selling assets to repay debt, or seeking the other financial solution to regain financial stability. Bankruptcy may be one of the available options for addressing insolvency, but it is not only solution. It is important to note that the bankruptcy and insolvency laws are very significant between countries, or the specific process or legal implication can differ depending upon the jurisdiction. Thank you. For any other doubt, let us know through comments.